Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Copper today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened from the beginning of this week. So this is the price opening, MCX Copper market, and one more thing we want to say is that we have moved to the next contract. That is the reason why we are seeing from the beginning of this week. So that we can get used to the support and resistance what is prevailing in this contract. So this is the price opening. On Monday, MCX Copper opened around 446.5. You can see this very tiny candlestick. This is the area where the market opened on Monday. And we expected some buying to happen because the price has opened above all the levels. You can see this was a very huge guy, and last week was a huge gain in copper market. So what we expected is that we expected buying in copper market, though the market was expected to be in buying. So we also expect some consolidation in this market. So let us see what happened from Monday. So the market opened around 446.5. From there you can see the straight away there was a good gain in market. Straight away from the opening there was good gain in market, and the MCX Copper tried to climb higher, and it reached a level of 449.5. So after that there was some drop in the market. This may be probably due to some profit booking. So you can see the level of selling that happened from 449.5. Since this 449.5 provided a huge amount of selling, we should consider this as an intermediate resistance level, and we can make a note of that. Okay, after that the price dropped down and it came down still 443.5. And again here you can note that we have mentioned a support line which is 442. Based upon the price actions which have happened in this market, we have marked the support level also. So the market tried to test this support. We can say the market tried to test this support, and it took the support around 443.2. You may ask a question, why this 442 is here? Why we are saying that it has taken a support? Because support and resistance is not a single line, or it is a zone. It may be somewhere near 442, it may be near 443, or it may be near 441 also. So support and resistance is not a single line. When we say 442 is a support, it means it includes the plus 1 point and minus 1 points. So you can make a note of that also. So after taking this, you can see that this market is resisting around 446. You can see a resistance here. It has tried to climb higher, and then again it is forming a resistance. Why we are explaining the support and resistance is that since we have moved to the next contract, we need to be familiar with this support and resistance for this contract. So after consolidating here for a long time, you can see the market took the support around this 443.5, and again it took the support. This happened on Monday. Again this support, it has taken a support on 443.5, and it tried to stay above this resistance level in the later trading session and closed around 446.5, which indicates that the market opened around 446.5 and the closing is somewhere around 446. So this is the area where the market closed. So when we compare the Monday's closing and the opening, we can say it is a bit neutral, because the market went up. The earlier session the market went up and it showed some buy trend, and in the later session which happened is a possible consolidation, which is quite normal when the market has because if you see the last week there was a huge gain in the market. So again this is not since the price has dropped and since it is struggling, it doesn't mean that the market has reversed its trend. People's clients and traders should understand that a single day the price is dropping and staying below is not a confirmation. Whenever we are going to take against the trend, if you are trying to put something against the trend, you need to have a very clear confirmation, and we should at least you should have 4 reasons to answer the simple question why you are going to take something against the trend. So this is not an indication that the price is trying to drop after a huge gain, but still the price will be in trend. So let us see what happened on yesterday. So yesterday also the price opened around the same zone. You can see where the price closed. Probably it is a continuation of what happened on Monday. So yesterday we had only evening session. So yesterday the market opened around the same zone, and you can see the level of continuity it had. Just it tried to drop down and whenever the price is staying above 446, it just showed a buying. But another thing we should notice that this 449, the price tried to break this 449. You know that 449 provided a resistance on Monday, so the price dropped down. So now this 449 should be some crucial intermediate resistance zone. So the price closed on you. If you see the price closing yesterday, the price closed around 447.8, around 448. When we compare the yesterday's closing with the opening, we can say the yesterday evening session is quite good for buying. But today we are expecting copper to open around 446 to 445. This is the zone where we are expecting copper to open today. So which means that today's opening is going to be below the yesterday's opening, and also the Monday's closing also. So it is going to be more or less near the opening or just below that. So this is the zone where we are targeting the market to open for copper today. So which means so there is some selling on tops. We can say that there are some selling on tops, but again we want to say, though there was some selling on top, it is not an confirmation that the market can go down, because it is tendency of some traders whenever they say 2 or 3 tops when the market is good in trend to go for selling. Sometimes it works, sometimes it hurts, most of the time it hurts. So what we are trying to say is that today also we are expecting copper to stay in uptrend, but there may be some consolidation, because what we told in our Monday presentation, you can see that whenever the market has gained around 20-25 points last week, you can expect some possible consolidation with the price staying in uptrend. That is what happened Monday and Tuesday. The price is staying in uptrend, but it is struggling to go higher. This can be expected. This is the type of price actions we can expect when the price is consolidating with the trend. This is a clear example how the price will consolidate with the trend. What happened on Monday and Tuesday. So whatever we are getting after making huge profit, like what we told on Monday, if you have made a good profit on the last week, it is our topmost priority to protect our profit. So whatever gains you are getting, we requested all of you to book very minimal gains. Hope you would have followed our recommendations and analysis. So let us see what we can do for today. So since the price is expected to open around 446 to 445, we can expect the market to support to just test its major supports. So the major support levels are 442 and 436. We are expecting the price to stay in trend till 436, which means that if the price is opening around 446, your stop loss zone is going to be more or less near 10 points. So you can go for an average till from 446 to 436. So having 435 as a stop loss, because we need to stay with the trend. Even the price is dropping, you can go for an buying till this zone. So again we want to say, whenever you are going for an average for this type of average for 10 points, whenever for example you are buying at 440, 444, 442, and for example if we can say for every time intervals for 2 or 2.5 points or 3 points time interval, if you are going for average, try to book profit for the average lots at the regular intervals, which means that you are buying at 442, try to book some profit if you get around 444.5 or 444.6, so that can help you to minimize your loss and also to maximize your profit. This is a type of protection strategy we may follow after a very big gain. So this can protect all your profit which you have made last week, so that you need not be overconfident in the market and bet completely. So let us see what's going to happen, and the expected targets are 452. That is the target which we are expecting, because we can expect some consolidation around 446, and around 442 we are expecting the market to support. If the trend is intact, what we can normally the market will get some support around 442, and it can test the target of 452. So this is the target. If the price is staying in trend, the market can very well test 452, but it all depends upon how the price is going to take its action. If we get a closing above 446 today, it is well and good. We can expect the price to test is 452 for the coming days. Let's see what's going to happen during our trading session. And again we want to say one thing, all these presentations are available only for YouTube subscribers, and clients and viewers who are visiting our blog, and this offer will be available for this month alone. So till the end of this month it will be available for YouTube subscribers and the persons who are visiting our blog website www.onlinecommoditytradingmcx.com, and after this month it will be available only for the clients of Alesco CTS alone. So please make a note of it and try to open a trading account with us. If you have a trading account with us already, then no issues. Get whatever doubt you have, kindly contact us and get that clarified. So thanks for watching our video. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.